Derivatives are used in lots of different ways in calculus, and they're used in lots of different ways in lots of different subjects also. So that means there's lots of different notations for derivatives, and you're going to need to know all of them. Here's a few different ways of writing the first derivative, and they all mean the same thing. We start with a function y equals f of x. We could write f prime of x, we could write y prime. This is read dy dx. This is read d dx of f of x, or we could have d dx of y, or just a capital D of f of x. These last three notations we think of as operators. We apply d dx to the function f of x to get back the derived function, or the derivative, f prime of x. Let's look at some examples of ways these might be used. If we write y equals 3x squared, we might pick up on this notation dy dx and ask, what is dy dx? Well, that just means take the derivative. We already know how to take the derivative of 3x squared. It's 6x. Or we might want to take a table of values of y and y prime. So we might want to illustrate various rules by using y and y prime, just compact notation. So if y is 1, we know y prime, the derivative is 0. If y is x, we know the derivative is 1. If y is x squared, we know y prime is 2x. We already know all these rules. It's just different notations for the column headers. This functional notation is very handy for expressing problems and results. For example, maybe we were told to define d dx of x to the minus 3. So you're supposed to apply this operator d dx to x to the minus 3 and come back with a new expression in x. It just means take the derivative, and the derivative is, of course, minus 3 times x to the minus 3 minus 1, or minus 4. This d dx operator notation is frequently used to express rules. So for example, we would express the power rule as saying when we take d dx of x to the n, we get nx to the n minus 1. It's a nice compact way of describing rules, and we'll probably do this quite a bit in the future to write down derivative rules. So you need to know all these different notations.